pretty surreal, you know, it's something I'll never get bored of. Every time I strap in the car, you still get butterflies, a little bit nervous, but mainly just the whole atmosphere, especially at Western Springs. You know, you got the fans cheering for you, got just the speed, the adrenaline, and I think it's pretty amazing feeling, you know, winning a feature and standing on the roll cage and seeing 10,000 people screaming for you. Working on my race cars has made it easier for me to progress into this sort of thing, because I've been working around race cars as a young age all my life, so getting an apprenticeship at BMW, I think 12 years ago now, and I've been here ever since. So I've always had a passion for cars, and nothing quite compares to the product of BMW. All I'm saying is if you look after them, they treat you well. In your workplace, they're probably the people you spend the most time with in your life, you know, besides your missus or your girlfriend. And, you know, it's pretty cool. We've got a pretty special vibe in the workshop. You know, everyone here has a laugh, and yeah, it's definitely a cool place to work, and you know, usually go home happy at the end of the day.